Day trading this morning, taking down $1.25 a share. Gonna break it all down in this video and show you guys how I found the stock I traded and all of that fun stuff, my entries, my exits. So make sure you stay tuned. So really quickly before we get into the action here, ESPR was a stock that I traded this morning, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I found this stock. It's very simple. I've talked about this in multiple videos, but people keep asking me, how do I find the stocks that I trade? Well, guess what? Here it is. Here's the secret. Get ready. Boom. StockMarketWatch.com. Check it out. It's StockMarketWatch.com. You go to StockMarketWatch.com, you hit pre-market. Okay, and what do I look for? I look for stocks that have volume, stocks that have big moves. So HCHC was a big mover. ESPR was the top losing stock of the day. And look at it there. There it is right there. That's exactly how I found the stock. I didn't pay money for a scanner. I didn't pay for a newsletter. I literally just used the StockMarketWatch.com to find out what stocks were moving up and down in pre-market. Already making a trade here. Wow, here it goes. ESPR down there to $46. You can see ESPR. The reason that I traded ESPR, I'm going to break it down really quickly here on why I traded it, what my plan was, and how I made money this morning, making $1.25 a share here on ESPR short, and kind of break it all down. So you can see here, ESPR gapping down huge from the $47 area. This is the daily chart. On the daily chart, I was looking at the previous support, previous resistance, what's going on there. We got that $49 area, the next support there at the 45, and then 42 area. Wasn't really thinking I was going to hold it until the $45 area. My big thing this morning was I didn't want to short right at a support level. So let's say the stock was right at $45 and I see that there's previous support there. That's not where I want to be shorting at. So looking at this 1 minute chart, you can see a little bit better how I was shorting at. So that $49 area was that resistance. Boom, 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 $49. If you were watching level 2, I traded this entire thing live on YouTube in the live stream this morning. So if you want to go watch the entire trade live, I talked about everything and did it all live on YouTube. People were watching me. So you guys can see this recap here if you didn't watch it live this morning to see what my whole kind of thought process was. And we here on ESPR, it had really bad news. I think 15 people died. There was a trial. 15 people died during the trial. People died on the placebo. It was bad. It was bad news all around here. And you can see, look at that. ESPR down there to 45.50. So I talked about it in the live stream, how I was looking for that 46.50 area as my target. We got down here to the 47. We found a little bit of support. I ended up just covering there at 47.25. That's still $1.25 a share. The one bad part is I only had 100 shares. I was playing it safe because it was pre-market, because the volume was kind of low. It wasn't amazing volume yet. You can see these candles, you know, 17,000, 28,000. So there wasn't a ton of volume. So I was worried, you know, that this thing could squeeze on me. The last couple days, I've had really bad luck with getting caught in squeezes. You know, getting caught in a squeeze when the stock just goes straight up and I end up getting out. And then later on, the stock does exactly what I wanted anyway. So today, it was really just about, I was going to trade this with a small size, let the trade work out here. Look at this, all the way down to the 45.30s. Let's see if it bounces off that support area there at the $45 area. But wow, that's pretty nice. Down there to 45.50 now. $45. Woo, $45. There it is, 44. Full. That's about $3 or $4 drop there now on ESPR from the $49 area, getting short there at 48.50. I got $1.25 a share. Obviously, there was a lot more meat on the bone there. Look at that. Down there to 44.60 now. That next support's not till $42 area. So that's a beautiful, beautiful move here on ESPR. Like I said, the last couple days, I've done this where I've shorted pre-market or I've shorted right at open, and I've gotten caught in stupid squeezes. So I was telling myself, Patrick, today I'm not going to get caught in a squeeze. I'm not doing it again. We are not making that video. And I ended up taking profit there for, you know, making $125. So I made $125 after commissions, after fees. It's going to put me up about $115. So that's not bad. Not bad. $115 all before the market even opened. I mean, this trade was, what, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 minutes long. And can't complain about that. I was hoping that ESPR might break above $49 and we might get a rip up to that VWAP, which was at the $51 area. You can see, obviously, it's going the opposite way. So that's just how it is sometimes. You know, you have a plan, it doesn't really work out for you. I'm not sure I'd really want to buy it. Maybe buy it right here. Maybe it'd be a good little dip entry. bouncing off this $45 support area. You can see a little bit of a move here, but I think I'm just going to stay away from it. It is only 932. I do have some other things I need to do today, some more productive things that I could do today. So really it's a time management issue here. You know, I got to figure out what's my time worth. Is it worth it for me to sit here and try to make a couple $100 trading for 3 or 4 more hours? You know, maybe I'll make $500 a day, but really is it worth the time for me to do that? And today it's just not really worth the time because I have other opportunities out there. Ooh, ESPR bouncing there, 45s. It's going. It's going. Let's see if it breaks over 49 here. Let's just see. Let's just see here what happens at this $48 area. So I think if it doesn't break above 49 here, it might be a nice little opportunity to short. Obviously, above 49 could be a nice little long. So really, that $49 area is a key area right now. And you know, maybe if you're buying this support area there, 45, that's a move from 45 up there to 47.84. So you know, $2 move right there here on ESPR this morning. It's beautiful. A lot of stuff going on. Not really much going on in terms of small caps. Was looking for some stocks this morning. Was looking at HTBX, a couple stocks that were moving the last couple days. But overall, really nothing that was like, oh, I'm excited about trading this. And you can see HTBX bouncing off a 280 area, back up to the 330, and kind of pulling back down there. What's funny is, you know, the other day I bought at this 290 area, 295 area, and look at now up there. Yesterday, what did it get to? Like 430, I think. 430 was the high of day yesterday. So getting up there to 430, pulling down there, and there are shares of short, but I'm going to stay away from HTBX. It's just a crazy, crazy stock. And also we got AVGR making a big move here. It opened from 176 up there to 194. Not getting above that $2 area. AVGR has been an issue in the past. You know, kind of it just feels very crowded. It's like a very crowded stock. Be moving, and then all of a sudden there's a massive seller. It'll move over that seller. There's another massive seller. It just seems like there's always massive sellers sitting there waiting to sell AVGR. So I'm going to stay away from AVGR as well. This stock, HCH, had a rumor of a buyout, I guess is what was going on there. You can see it jumped all the way to $10, pulled back down there to $7.70. Not really sure what's going on there with HCHC. Kind of a weird. I mean, I guess it's because the rumor of a buyout is why they're speculating on the price. ESPR breaking above that 49. Let's just see how high it goes from there, because that would have been kind of my entry area to get in there above 49. So let's see if it'll rip up there to the 51s, which was kind of my overall plan. If I would have jumped in there for the break of 49, I would have looked for that $51 area. So let's see if it'll break above 50 here. So having some trouble there at the $50 area, pulling back down there. See if it'll bounce off that 49. That 49 previous resistance there. Now it's breaking back down. So ESPR making a small dollar move there above that 49. I was thinking we might get more of a squeeze. There it is. I'm going to end it out right there. I'm going to go handle some business. I got some other things I need to do today. And I'll talk to you guys later on.